Today I'm making barbecue chicken in the slow cooker, and I'm telling you this is so easy and quick. I'm just using very simple ingredients. Add your chicken breast to the slow cooker, and I'm just going to season it with salt, pepper, garlic powder, oregano, and your favorite barbecue sauce. I find cooking in the slow cooker is so convenient. It enhances the flavors, and the meat turns out to be tender, and it's not that much cleaning needed after you're done cooking. It feels so good. You can prepare your meals in the morning and let the slow cooker do the work while you are busy with other tasks. It's a great time saver, especially for busy days like today for me. Getting ready to make sweet potato fries seasoned with garlic, salt, pepper, chili powder, olive oil. Instead of regular fries, I went with sweet potato fries. Why? They are high in fiber, packed with vitamin A, and taste so good too. Mix well. Bake 425 degree for 25 to 30 minutes. I'm going to check the chicken. It's been 3 hours since it has been cooking, shredding the chicken, and then I'll let it cook for another hour. And after that, I'll just add cheese on the top. You'll see what I mean. It's been 3 hours since the chicken been cooking in slow cooker. I'm done shredding. I'm adding the cheese. While the cheese is melting, toasting my buns and getting ready to make the barbecue chicken sandwich. The next comes the best part, building the sandwich. Pile it with the cheese, barbecue chicken on the bun, and there it is. If you want, you can also add barbecue sauce on the top or on the side. And where are my sweet potato fries? Here they are. Just add it to the sandwich and enjoy it. Delicious barbecue chicken. It's a new day, and today I'm baking chicken thighs in the oven. First, I sprayed the baking pan, then place the chicken. I'm going to season the underside first. I'm using blend of paprika, garlic powder, cayenne, salt, and pepper. And then I'll flip it over and slightly season the skin side. This blend gives such a warm, smoky, slightly barbecue-like flavor. Into the oven it goes. Bake 425 degree for 30 to 35 minutes. I'll be serving oven baked chicken with the mix of regular potatoes and sweet potatoes. So I cut it in cubes, seasoned with olive oil, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. I also added a pinch of red chili flakes for a little heat. I popped the potatoes in the oven right alongside the chicken. Here we have seasoned chicken, golden crispy potatoes that are full of flavor, so simple yet so good.